Good morning. Today, 18 August 2026, and right now time is 10:32 a.m. Presently, I'm in West Rajnagar under Rajnagar Agri sector, Tulashikar Agri subdivision, and this plot belongs to Somendra Urang, and the paddy grown here is MTU 7029, and this was transplanted on 28 July 2026. So by now the age of this plot is only around 21 days, 3 weeks. So this is the condition of the plot, and here Somendra Urang is doing around 3 kani plot, and all plot has been sown under MICMP during this financial year. So by 20 days, I think around 15 to 20 this tillers has come right now. Kuchakok boy sanai mo plot tengka Somendra Urang te Saraswati Urang ni borok actually bagi khayo mo plot no kai 28 Julai 2026 mo mai borjak mani tini bai 21 din gai ang tak je bosai tongma khai Pochim Rajnagar area ho